Welcome guys. On this video I am going to show you how to react with a video on X. You can react to any post with a video. Now this feature has already been available, but it is only available on iOS, but now is now available on Android device. So I am going to make this video again just to refresh your memory in case you are not aware. Now to react on a video, just about any video, scroll to any video or any post. You click on the reaction section. On the repost icon, which is the previous repost icon, you are going to see an option where it says react with a video. Now you choose react with a video. Now it's going to show you multiple options. The first option is just for you to react with a green screen. The second option is for you to react with a pinch screen, which is putting my image right here. I can just place it anywhere I want. And then the next option is to react top and bottom, which is actually another method. So choose whichever one you want to react, and then also you can enable audio and disable audio on the video. Now that audio that I enable is for the video. You can enable and disable at will, and also you can actually choose this particular icon if you want to change the layout of the video. And another thing, you can still change if you want it to be top and bottom. Choose the last option. It's going to switch from top to bottom, whichever format that you want. And then finally, if you are ready to start reacting, click on the big red button to start recording. Now you record, and when you're done, you stop. When you are done, you can click on this check icon to confirm that you are done with your react, and then you click on next. And after that, the next thing you need to do is to write a post. Then once you finish writing, you can click on post. And that, guys, is how to react on post. I do not want to post this video because I obviously did not do any react. I just showed you guys tutorial. So I'm going to close that because I do not want to react to it. So I'm just going to hit the close and delete. So that, guys, is how to react. You can do this on just about any post at all, whether it's a text, image, or anything. You can react with a video. So I hope this video helped you. If it is, smash like, subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.